Hi everybody, it's Naviforce watch here. Today we prepare an unboxing video and the model number is the NF9202T. This model is very sporty and easy to match. Okay, now still let's take a look at the watch box. The black inner and the outer box, and with our logo at the center, which is very textured. Okay, now you can see here is the guarantee card, and one more time, our warranty period is for 1 year. And here is the instruction manual. It can help you to adjust the new watch. Okay, now here this watch, the NF9202T. It adopts a Japanese quartz movement from the Cycle Instrument Inc. And first, still, let's see the back side. Okay, from the back side, you can know the model number here of this watch and the material of the bags. The stainless steel and the waterproof for 3 ATM here. Our quartz watches make use of the hardened mirror glass, so that it is quite scratch resistant and very durable. The case diameter of this model, the case of this model, as you can see, is the 46 millimeter. Okay, the lug to lug is the lug to lug is 52 millimeter. Okay, the thickness of this model is 13.5 millimeter. It's quite thin and light to wear. Okay, pay attention that the case is zinc alloy material. Okay, now I'm going to show you more dial details about this watch. On the upper right and the bottom left position, you can see the two funny designed countdown numeral markers and the stopwatch. These two elements echoing each other, and the hands are adopted the same color as the numeral markers. Here they are both yellow, and with three-dimensional studs on the dial surface, you can see here the dial, the bottom shading is the cross that parries the pattern. So this watch is quite chic and fashion. Okay, the total length of this watch is 255 millimeter. As you can see, this model uses silicone strap. The TPU material allow your watch more sweat resistant and durable to use. And you can see here the triangle, the textured strap here. The textured surface. It echoes the cross the Paris pattern on the dial. Here is also the cross the Paris pattern, so the whole watch is quite harmonious. And here you can see our TPU strap here. You can see it adopts the fast loading design, which means that you can switch the strap color as you like very fastly. Finally, we will see all colors of this model. As you can see, there are totally 6 colors here. Okay, the first one is the silver blue. It adopts the silver case and the blue strap and the dial, and the hands, the markers are the white color. And here the second one is the silver green. With the silver color case and the deep green dial and the strap here. And the markers are white color. Okay, the third one is the black white. It is with all black case, dial and the strap, and the white numeral markers and the sports watch, the design here. Here the fourth one is the black orange. This color I like it very much. It is the black case and the bright orange color, the strap and the markers. This model, the color is quite dynamic and sporty. And the next one is the black red. It's with the black case and the red markers and the red TPU strap. Okay, the last one here is the color that we just embossed, and this color is the black yellow. It's with the black case and the yellow strap and the markers, the hands. This one is also like the orange, the color. It's very energetic and very suitable for the sports lovers. Okay, that's all unboxing content of the NF9202T today. Please thumb up and subscribe here, as well as follow us on the Instagram or the Facebook if you guys love us and want to see more interesting content. Thanks a lot for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.